Hello guys, so a quick update for CA Foundation students. I am coming live tonight at 9 o'clock to discuss the most crucial point. The point which can cost you your attempt and the point which can make your attempt. That is 1.5 day before exam planning. This is going to be a super duper useful video guys. ये बहुत ज़्यादा important factor है. पढ़ाई जो करनी थी वो अपन ने कर ली है, but to justify those studies, these 1.5 days are important. So ये 1.5 days में कैसे पढ़ाई करनी है, चैप्टर्स को कैसे डिवाइड करना है, कितने घंटे पढ़ना है, कितने घंटे सोना है, कब कौन सा चैप्टर करना है, डिवीजन क्या होना चाहिए दिन का, each and every little thing to do in those 1.5 days is going to be discussed in that session. It's going to be super duper useful. Come join me. I'm giving a link in the description box below. Click on that link, press on notify me so that you get notified when I come live. And to watch that session for absolutely free of cost, you have to use this mandatory referral code RCH10. So come join me. बहुत important session है. I'll see you then at night.